Hi guys.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
तो गाइस दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे। सो अभी रेडी हो चुका हूँ मैं। आप देख सकते हो मेरी आउटफिट ये डाली है मैंने आज। सो अभी एक बार मैं आपको रूम टूर दे देता हूँ जो हमें रूम मिला है वो उसका। सो यू कैन चेक दिस इज़ द रूम and the AC TV you can see and the lighting is also very good and all, and here we have Rishi with us, and yes, this is the bed, you can see the mirror, and overall things are looking very good and the lighting is very beautiful. That's why we can record easily without any quality or loss of in the video. And this is the washroom and all, you can check it out. Yes, it's all good, very good. So this is the our small room tour. So अभी क्या है कि हमें अराउंड 9 o'clock के अराउंड निकलना है यहाँ से, तो फटाफट अभी रेडी तो हो चुके हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं और फिर निकलते हैं। सो गाइस वी गॉट आवर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लेट मी शो यू व्हाट्स इन द ब्रेकफास्ट. So you can check it out that after coming to the south we got the South Indian touch, the dosa and all we have in our breakfast. So let's do our breakfast. You are not that much pretty excited for this because you have already tasted these things so many times. He is Rishi is from Hyderabad only, from the Hyderabad campus only. Yes, Aurora University. It is very important to mention the university name, otherwise you will not get your degree.
तू समझा? हाँ। नहीं, तू समझा नहीं।
Hello भैया, welcome to the vlog भैया. So he is Akash भैया who is taking care of all our needs, providing breakfast and all to us. So thank you भैया for this much. Thank you very much भैया. The breakfast is very tasty guys, an amazing experience. What's about you Rishi? How you are feeling?
It's all same for me. I'm coming here.
Yes. It's little bit sad for you. Sad part for you.
If I come to your place, if I eat your food, it will be new for me new experience.
Yes, sure will come to Jaipur. So अभी यहाँ पे मैंने आपको रूम टूर तो दे दिया, तो ऋषि ने मुझे अभी एक चीज़ नोटिस कराई कि ये क्या है, तो मैं खुद अभी तक कंफ्यूज था कि क्या है, तो इसको ओपन करके दिखाते हैं. देखिए, एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ कवर्ड फॉर कीपिंग आवर थिंग्स. So this is the point which yes. That's all. Oh, what a reaction, bro. What a reaction. Now the video goes viral. Memes will be made on you.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
So guys, let's start the day 1 of our NIT Creators Fest. So now leaving for the main location where we will have today's sessions and all. So let's go. Guys, who is here? We have Aisha ma'am with us. Our caps are here. So we will be just leaving. Let's go. Yes. So guys, we are here at our location and now we are going inside. Let's go inside, bro. Done with the security check-in and all, guys. Now going inside. Let's go. Here we have our lots of friends of NIT only here. So I will introduce all of them. Let me go inside first. So hello guys, welcome back to our blog of Creators Day 1. So firstly, here is our gang for all the 3 days. We have a lot of enjoyment and going to do crazy stuff in these 3 days. So let's firstly start with the introduction part. Welcome to the day 1 of the Creators Fest vlog. Ma'am, I just want to give a short intro for my video. Yours.
Yes. Hi Aniket. Hi everyone. So today we are at day 1 of Creator Fest and Aniket is here all the way from Jaipur to Hyderabad and it's such a pleasure to have him here. Welcome here and thank you for being a part of this Creators Festival.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
And here we have Aisha ma'am with us, going to reveal his face in this vlog because from the last 1 year I am talking to him on the chat only and now see him live.
Hi guys. Hi Aniket. How are you? And we are like super excited to host you guys here and the energy is really awesome. It's crazy. Doing a great job.
Thank you ma'am. And now we will move to our other group members also. So
Hi guys, I am Nikhil from NIT Bangalore campus.
here we have the most amazing and most crazy person with us.
क्रेजी फ्रेंड का दोस्त क्रेजी होता है. माई सेल्फ अकबर फ्रॉम NIT हैदराबाद कैंपस एंड भाई के व्लॉग्स देखे हैं मैंने, बहुत अच्छा शूट करते हैं. भाई की एनर्जी यहाँ पे आग लगा रही है. मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू हिम. सब्सक्राइब बटन पे आग लगा दो.
Hi guys, hi, welcome to Aniket's YouTube channel. Myself Niharika, I'm from NIT Bangalore campus.
Excited for today?
Yeah, I'm so excited. What about you?
I'm also. So guys, we also have some of our seniors here with us. So
Hi guys, I am Pranay, second year student at NIT.
Hey guys, I'm Shamgo Kosati, second year student at NIT.
Myself Aditya and I'm from NIT Hyderabad campus and we are making a lot of fun here. So let's go. अरे मैंने आपका नाम भूला दिया.
we don't want any scripted thing. We want raw and real experience.
Subscribe to Aniket's channel.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है.
Everyone is shooting their content. So let them shoot first.
Hi guys, myself Leisha and I'm from NIT Hyderabad CDO campus.
Check out the ambience and all, guys. It's very beautiful. And now I am going to get coffee and all. Most of the friends are also there. You can see guys, यहाँ पे जो सब लोग हैं वो क्रिएटर्स ही हैं ऑलमोस्ट. तो सबके कैमरेज, ब्लॉग एंड अदर थिंग्स सब शूट हो रहा है.
So I think by now you must have gotten to know each other. I'm sure. But then except few people, I think you just have to mingle up. But then let's loosen up a little bit more and let's keep the energy high. So we'll play some fun, cool activity before we begin any sessions. So we are starting with the icebreaker thing, which is called as 2 truths and 1 lie. So everybody have to introduce yourself by saying 3 statements. Which one will be 2 truths and 1 lie, and the rest of us have to guess which one is the lie. So make it random, surprising, normal, anything. Make it fun, right?
Crazy stuff.
I love
कौन है ये लोग?
keeping up with trends and like trendy clothes.
So hi guys, I am Aniket from NIT Jaipur, and my first statement is I like dancing, and the second statement is I like making content on social media, and the third statement is I like watching movies.
I like dancing. I like dancing. I like watching movies.
First,
I like dancing.
the third one is
I like watching
and if you want, then we will at the end we will together have a reel of dancing. Then you will get to know that it's not I don't like watching movies and wasting time on that. Guys, everyone is having camera and shooting their own content and all. That's a real vibe of the Creators Fest, that everyone is doing crazy. Ma'am, now the controversy will happen. That is one of the statements.
Aisha's reaction was on top.
All cameras on Aisha, ma'am.
I love K-drama. I hate social media. And I love tea.
Second one. So, who is going to take our session of today? And here, check it out. Who is here? He came to our Jaipur campus for the shoot also, so I know him. So we are here all ready to start the session and all, and here we all guys are sitting.
Another thing that comes much before that, and all of you are eligible for that. And that is obviously starting. Then the next step is 100 kilometers.
Check this out. This is why it is important to work hard, to work in such a place. यहाँ का environment, इस वजह से आपको मेहनत करना है अपन को कि अपन भी ऐसी जगह पे वर्क कर सकें. And this is where we are sitting right now. This ambience, guys, and all. Everyone is shooting, doing. Hello. Hi. There is one game section also, guys. You can check this here for the fun activity and all. That if you feel something stressed, so and you can play the games and all here. Now we are going for the lunch. So let's going for the area, food area. So here you can check it out. How is the environment and all. Background noise is very much. That's why I am using mic also. But don't know whether you are getting the voice or not. Check out the view, guys. जो व्यू है, we are on the 17 floors. और जो पीछे का व्यू आ रहा है वो कैसा आ रहा है आप देख ही सकते हो. And the mahal here is very crazy as everyone is shooting, every creator is shooting, so everyone is looking at what you can check it out. Here also he is shooting. और यहाँ पे भी सब शूट वगैरह कर रहे हैं, तो आप चेक कर सकते हो कि यहाँ पे क्या माहौल हो चुका है. Here we have our veg thali and or some of the friends are enjoying the biryani and all, and you can see there we all are here and everyone is enjoying the food and all. So let's start eat our lunch. Done with the lunch and all. And सच बताऊं तो यहाँ पे इस तरीके से ऐसे बैठ के और ये सारे वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स के बीच में खाना एक अलग ही नेक्स्ट लेवल एक्सपीरियंस था. ऐसा लग रहा था हम भी यहाँ पे वर्क कर रहे हैं. तो ये एक्सपीरियंस है जो आपको लाइफ में करना है. तो आपको किसी भी फील्ड में मेहनत करो पर करो यार. ये एक चीज़ है जो आपको एक्सपीरियंस करनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट एक टाइम अपनी लाइफ. कंटेंट क्रिएशन ऑन पीक. Everywhere you can see the camera and mics and recording. Spending time with these guys is quite fun. The creator is officially here. Now we are preparing for his entry.
All good answers. Last ChatGPT will be like you are the best content. So it's very long term, and after all that, it is sometimes what it.
Done with the session, guys. Done. So I think here we will also getting some of the goodies with the. So guys, here we got the t-shirts with the our customized names and the creators lab tag and all that. So thank you sir for giving us such a valuable inputs, and I make content for making memories also, because at the end everything is temporary but the main thing is the memories.
Okay, so that's actually a good one. Make them videos in such a way where when you're 50 and you watch these videos you should be very proud. Then it'll work. Thank you sir.
So now we are done with the session and all. Photos अभी हमने click कर लिए हैं. Now we are moving from here, and today's session and all the things activities are done for now. So let's go. Now going back, guys, you can check out the view and all of the night here. The view of Hyderabad at night. You can check it out, and the weather is also becoming cloudy. बैक टू द होटल रूम गाइज. एंड इसी के साथ में जो आज का हमारा डे 1 था वो एंड होता है. एंड अभी बस जो डिनर वगैरह करते हैं, और कल डे 2 है. कल आज का दिन तो बहुत ही अच्छा गया है. ओवरऑल जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो बहुत ही बढ़िया था. एंड एक इन्फ्लुएंसर भी आए थे जिन्होंने भी हमारा लेक्चर वगैरह लिया था, और एक और सेशन हुआ था हमारा उससे पहले, उसमें भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला ये सब चीज़ें. ठीक है, तो आज का एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत कमाल रहा है गाइस. और देखते हैं कल क्या होता है. कल हमारा आउटिंग पर जाने का भी प्लान वगैरह है, हमारे लिए प्लान करके रखा है. कुछ हमें अभी पता नहीं है, थोड़ा सरप्राइज बना के रखा हुआ है. तो देखते हैं कल क्या होने वाला है. कल और मज़ा आएगा.
Hi guys.
So we are here enjoying.
Like this. One. जल्दी से भाई करंट कब का डाला है?
सो इसी के साथ मैं आज का जो ब्लॉग है उसको एंड करता हूँ गाइस। इस सीरीज़ में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, आप मुझे तो भाई आप लोगों को भी आ रहा होगा होपफुली। तो कमेंट वगैरह में ज़रूर बताना कि कैसा लगा, एंड लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब तो जरूर कर देना। तो मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में डे 2 के साथ। बाय बाय गाइस, बाय।